Hey there, welcome back to another K's Kitchen video. Thanks to everyone who has encouraged me so far. In this video, I am going to show you how to make soy bhurji, a healthy accompaniment for roti phulka. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification so that you won't miss out on any future uploads. Without wasting any more time, let's see how it's made. As you might have already guessed from the name, the main ingredient used in this dish is soya chunks. Soak the soya chunks in hot water for 2 to 3 hours and grind to a coarse paste. A tip for working ladies: soak it overnight so that you can prepare the dish in the morning. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, add 8 to 10 chopped garlic cloves to the pan and fry till they turn light brown in color. Add chopped ginger to the pan and sauté for a while. Garlic and ginger boost digestion. They are used in Ayurvedic medicines as they aid in developing the immune system. Now add chopped onion and fry in medium flame until it changes color. The onion adds sweetness to the dish and enhances its flavor. It's believed that cut onion, when kept open in a room, has the ability to absorb germs present in the room. Avoid keeping cut onion in the open. As the color of onion changes, add 1 medium chopped capsicum and mix well. Let it fry on medium heat. Here I have taken red, yellow and green capsicum. You can use what you have or what you get in the market. The dish is looking so colorful due to the different capsicums. When the capsicum is cooked, which takes around 2 to 5 minutes, add 6 to 8 chopped medium-sized tomatoes and mix well. Cook for 10 minutes. Allow the tomatoes become mushy. Adding salt when cooking tomatoes helps in speeding up the process. Season with salt and 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix well. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Now add half teaspoon garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix well. Now add the ground soya chunk and mix well. Soya chunk will absorb lot of water and become dry very quickly. So, it is important to use lot of tomatoes to retain the moisture. You can even add tomato puree. Soya chunks are one of the best sources of protein. Soy has about 20% of the daily protein required by the body. Vegetarians can use this to supplement their protein needs. Mix well. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with roti. Thanks for watching the entire video. If you liked the video, make sure that you hit the like button.